Hey guys, this is a continuation of the cutting board video. Today I am going to preserve it and test it, so stick around till the end for the results. First, go ahead and buy 100% mineral oil. It does not need to be butcher block oil or any of those, since they are mostly based on mineral oil and barely contribute anything. For a brand new cutting board, you should get a fourth to a half cup of mineral oil on each side. For an old cutting board, you should use a tablespoon on each side. Use the amount necessary, depending on your wood for each side. After putting the oil, let rest so that it can soak into the wood. Then apply a final 1 tablespoon on each side. As you may have seen on camera, I am using the oil that I recommended against, and this is due to the fact that I had nothing else available. Now I'll just show you the start of the barbecue. When the meat was ready to cut, I asked my friend to record for me, and unfortunately he is not the best cameraman, so please excuse the shaky footage. As you can see, after washing, the cutting board looks amazing. It has a few cuts, but they are just on the surface and it is to be expected. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment any suggestions or mistakes I have made, as I am always trying to improve. See you next week!